Yo, what's going on, guys? Woods here. I opened up free trials for WoodsBot till the end of the month. If you do not have access already, you will automatically get access as soon as you click the link and get into the Discord. I'm gonna go through the bots that you get access to and how you can use it in Confluence with the charts that you are already looking at on a daily basis. Let's get into it, guys. So you see right here, you're gonna automatically have access to WoodsBot and you're gonna have access to the gold bots. Now, one of my favorites is gonna be the gainers and losers bot. With this bot, you can see the largest gainers and the largest losers in the last 4 hours, last hourly. All automations work super quickly. You get the Monday range bot. Whenever you want to look at what's near the Monday lows or the Monday highs, because you don't feel like looking at a chart, you can click what's near the Monday highs, what's near the Monday lows, configure Confluence around your charts and around your future plays. We also have a funding rate bot that you could click what's lowest in funding and what's highest in funding. If you trade funding, then you know the significance of it. On the RSI heat map, we have quite a simple automation. Click on the 4 hour, click on the hourly. I find it super useful if you want to see what to trade really quick in Confluence with maybe a top gainer. We have our own support resistance bot that has been back tested for quite some time. Quickly look at the 4 hour areas. If you just want to see a quick chart, good levels, this is a good bot. All this is meant to simplify your trading experience on the daily. You can see right here, you get a nice 1 day chart of BTC on the daily. Same thing with ETH. 4 hour 1 day, you're getting nice levels. I also have a liquidation on majors bots, same as with the alts. You can see where liquidations occur and when they're happening. I was saying earlier, use some Confluence with the RSI heat maps. You see what's going on in the heat maps and then see what's highest in volume. And if that coin is trading volume, that's probably the ones to look at. See the time frame you want to trade. If you're an EMA trader, we have a bot for you as well. You can see what's above the EMA, what's below the EMA on whatever time frame you'd like. The OBOS, we have that, so it's gonna constantly print you your divergences, what's oversold, what's overbought, exactly where they are. Same thing with the 4 hour, as you can see here. I'm gonna scroll through really quickly. The OBS on the 1 hour. It constantly is sending you alerts, and I'm gonna show you right here really quick how you can mute a notification if you don't want it on. You don't have to have them all on if you don't want to, so you can mute and unmute when you'd like. When I just want to look at things easy and quickly, I use this thing every day in the morning, and there's an exact reason why. We're getting things simplified to your fingertips, on the go, automated, in style, and this is all you're going to get access to right here. I appreciate all you guys supporting. I'm gonna leave all the links down below that you're going to need. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you on the next. Peace.